In this video, I'm going to show that how you can build an amazing app for real estate business. You can use and build this app by yourself almost for free without any kind of coding knowledge. So let me show you quickly what this app will really do for the real estate business. And for that, I'll go to my Instagram, and here you can see I'm on a profile of real estate business. And as you know that what they really do, they kind of like take pictures of the properties or apartment, and then they will upload that to their different social media platforms just to showcase. So here you can see this is the latest apartment image they uploaded, which is like 4 days ago. As you can see that the engagement rate with this apartment or with this image is really low. You can see that they have only just 10 likes, even they have thousands of followers. So right now we're gonna solve this problem with our app. So let me show you quickly what our app will really do. What you have to do is like very simple. I'll just take a screenshot of this image, and then I will head over to my app. And right now, as you can see, it asking me to upload the image. I'll go and upload that image. And after that, it is actually asking me to select a style from this. I can choose luxury, professional, modern, and natural. I'll go with the first one, luxury. And then it will take 10 to 20 seconds to actually generate a new image of this exact apartment. So just wait in here and I'll show you the magic this app can really do. So this is the previous image, and then this is the new image of that exact apartment. So let me kind of like ask you something. If you're a real estate owner, or like you or anyone, okay, what do you think, which post will get much engagement, this one or this one? Obviously this one, right? Because this looks premium. Like even a buyer, he's not planning to actually buy that. He'll try even to contact with you if you're a real estate owner. Like the latest post you actually uploaded on your profile, I want to know about like the property, I want to know about the apartment, right? So I can actually do with any of the property. I only have to upload, even like I actually use my own mobile phone. I can also actually use this from a mobile phone. Let me show you like this. You can see that that's how it looked like. I can actually just take a photo of a property, and then I have to upload that to this app, and then boom. And from here I can actually download that. So in here I can actually go to regenerate, for example, like if I didn't like that. So let me kind of like show you the regeneration thing. So again, based on the previous style, it will again try to regenerate to a new image. So again, just wait here for 10 to 20 seconds, and you can see with the new style it actually given me another image. It actually deleted some of the parts and actually added that, and that's it. And also I can actually add a logo of my business, for example, for the copyright purposes. Let me show you that how I can actually do that. I will just go with add logo, and here you can see it asking me to actually add the logo of my business. I'll just kind of like click here, and then I'll add the logo of my business like this. As you can see, I just added the logo from my device, and here also I can choose the opacity of the logo. I can go with like 100%. Also I can just go with like 70, 80. I'll just go with like 90%, and then I'll go with download the image. And let me show you after downloading how this really looks like. Here you can see this is a logo I just added with a 90% opacity, and this is the whole image in like a luxury style. I believe that if you're a service provider, you can sell this app to real estate businesses in a like a very good price. Or if you're a real estate owner, you can actually build this app by yourself. You don't need any kind of like person, any expert to actually build this app for you. Let me show you how you can do this in a very easy way. So at first what you have to do is like you have to go to Google AI Studio, and for that I had given the link in the description. Again, if you don't know how to just scam in this website. So this is a website we are using, Google AI Studio, and that's from Google, so it's almost free. So when you actually come here, you have to go to in the build option. Here you can see this is the build option in the top. So it will be in different positions. So you can actually go here from build AI apps. Also you can go here from build. I'll go with build AI apps. So in this place you have to describe the idea what you really want to build. So the app we want to build is very simple. We'll actually upload an image which will be a raw image, very simple image of a property, and then this app, by using the Nano Banana or the latest model of the image generation, Nano Banana Pro. If you want to actually cost some money, you can actually use the Nano Banana Pro. Or if you think, okay, just you know what, your app is looking good, which is this one, so in here I'm actually using that for free. And for free users, Google give the chance to use the Google Nano Banana. okay, instead of using the Nano Banana Pro. So if you use the Nano Banana, obviously you can actually use an app like me. So you have to describe in this way by using Nano Banana, and also give me a chance to actually add the logos, kind of like this thing. So I actually made the complete prompt. So basically if you join in my community, you will get access to all of my assets. So you can see there are so many things. If you're actually interested on N10, you will see there are like so many stuffs related to N10, every video, every lesson containing different stuffs, okay. If you're interested in Google AI Studio, also you can actually get access to the Google AI Studio. And not only this, also if you actually face any problem while building or want to know something, you actually directly getting access to the chats with me. You can chat with me anytime, okay, as you can see our other members are doing. And also we do weekly session call. As you can see that every week we do a 1 hour weekly session call where you can join with the other members and you can ask me anything in that live classroom. For today's asset, what you have to do is like you have to come here, Google AI Studio, and here you will actually get the complete prompt. Again, you can actually give the prompt by yourself, but if you need a all-in-one prompt, which is like a perfect prompt for the app, you don't want to go to any kind of hassles, and even you are not that much technical person, then I recommend you to use this exact prompt that I made. So all you have to do is like you have to copy this prompt, go to Google AI Studio in this exact place, and there you have to paste the prompt like this. And then I'll just go with build. The app is building right now. So if you go in the code section, you can see that all of the codes are building just very first way. So basically in here we're using the Gemini 3 Pro. You don't need any kind of like software designer, or like you don't need any kind of like a coding expert, a guru to actually just build this app. If you actually just think about like 2 years ago, you have to spend thousands of dollars, right, to actually build this kind of app. But right now you can see Google made this thing so much easy for you. Only you need to understand some prompt stuffs. Only you need to just understand how these AI models really work, what's the capacity of this AI model really is, and then you're really done, guys. So yeah, we have to just wait a little bit. As you can see, just in 10 seconds how many coding files it just created. And just as you can see, guys, it actually just created the app in front of us. So if I kind of like go to the full screen, I can show you the complete app. You can see this is the complete app. So every time what you have to do is like you have to come in this section, and there you can actually use this app. Obviously I will show another way how you can actually use this app more easily, but before that I will check that is this app working or not. So for that I'll go here, drop a photo here, and then I'll put an image, which is this one. You can see very raw simple image, and then I'll choose a style, and then as you can see it's kind of like saying that it's applying the professional style. So as you can see the generated image in front of us, okay, so I can actually show you this is the original image and this is the new image, which is looks so professional. You can see actually added so many things in here. And also I tried the luxury one. As you can see that the luxury one is looking more cool than professional one. Okay, so like this we can actually go with modern, natural, and let me check the company branding or the logo, like how it's adding or not. So I kind of like add the logo in here, and then I will try to see that is it works or not. And for that, after adding the logo, I can see the preview, but I have to download that. I'll just go with like download the high resolution, and let me show you the final image. As you can see, this is the final image, which is looks more cool with the logo. So you can actually add more stuffs if you need, but that's how this thing really works. Also you can actually see the styles gallery. You can see that. Also you can see the histories. In this case the style is not showing, so how can I actually solve that? So for that what I'll do is I'll go to the app section again in this place, and here you can actually go with two options. For example, like you can actually go with your text, and also you can give your audio as like a speech to text. So I'll go with the speech to text. The style option are not showing, instead it's showing as a broken image. And then I'll go with send the prompt, and again based on the problem complexity it will take seconds, or maybe it will take some minutes. So as you can see it's saying that it's running over for a minute, which is like 66 seconds, and in 67 seconds it actually completed that thing. As you can see right now it actually showing me the option as like image, whatever. So that's the complete app. So right now how can actually use that even from your mobile phone? So for that what you have to do is you have to come here, and here you can see there are so many options came up. You can download this app directly in your device. You can add this to your GitHub. Also you can actually deploy this app. For example, like if you want to add some pricing with this app, and every user have to pay that money to you every month to actually use this app, also you can do that. And for that you need the domain and hosting, this kind of stuff. It's very easy to do. Only have to click that, and these kind of options will come up, and then you have to add your billings. That's it. And the easiest way is like if you want to use this app by yourself in your own device, and also you have a real estate business, you actually made this thing, or like you are the service provider and something like this, and you want to use this app just by you or like with a very small team. For that, what you have to do, like you have to go with this share option, click here share, and then this kind of option will come up, and here you have to click here publish your app. So you can see right now it's disabled. All you have to do is like enable that thing, and then you also have to go with like default to full screen. So what's gonna happen, like every time this app will just come up with a full screen, that's it. And then you have to copy this thing. After that, this app will be accessible from anywhere just with this URL. And also make sure that permission you can actually just giving as a viewer option. So if you actually go with like a editor option, so what's gonna happen, like anyone can edit this app with this link. So if you actually go with the viewer option, then everyone can actually use this app, but nobody can actually change the stuffs of this app. I'll just go with a new Google account, and then I'll try with this app link, which is this one, and then I'll just go with this link, and right now as you can see that the app is loading in front of me. So I'll just kind of like go with continue the app. So that's the whole thing. I hope like you understand everything. If you're new to this channel, make sure to give a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. I'll do my best to answer you. See you with a new video. Till then, peace.